adran Gwyddoniaeth yn Ysgol Bro Pedr.
Welcome to the Ysgol Bro Pedr Science Department.
Dyma'r un o adrannau mwyaf yn yr ysgol, a lle rydym ni'n treulio lawer o'n amser.
It's one of the biggest departments in the school and it's my favourite place to spend all my time here.
I chose triple science because it gave us lots of time for our science subjects, so we usually don't get double awarded. And it also opens up opportunities for us in our future with university.
Dwi'n hoffi gwneud gwybodaeth Gwyddoniaeth achos gyda gweld beth sy'n digwydd gyda'r practicals throughout TGAU.
I chose triple science because I enjoy science and the equations that include it, and I think that's a really useful skill. It also gave me a bunch of opportunities and broadened my horizon of what I could do in the future. It was a strength that I had already, so I chose to just improve it even more. It improves my problem solving and communication, and the teachers that I had were really good anyway, so I chose triple science for that.
Rydw wedi dewis triple science a rydyn ni'n cael 6 gwers yn fwy pob dwy wythnos, a rydw i'n cael 1 GCSE yn fwy wedi cymaru gyda double science.
I've chosen triple science because it gives me 6 extra lessons every fortnight and it gives me 1 extra GCSE than the standard science.
Mae gennym ni 7 lab gwyddoniaeth yn yr ysgol, ac mae lawer o'n disgyblion yn defnyddio rhain fel hwb ar gyfer eu gwaith ac astudiaethau.
We have 7 science labs in the school and a lot of our pupils use these labs as a hub for their studies and work.
Science is useful for us because it helps us understand what's going on in the world and it helps us apply our knowledge to the real world. It helps us with our problem solving and communication skills, and it also helps us with mathematics.